Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick video to do. We got an unboxing to do. Item I got from eBay from J&J Auto Wrecking Supply. It's a wreckage yard. I got some 2000 Toyota parts coming in. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright. So this is a package from J&J Auto Wrecking. It states on their receipt underneath their name, celebrating 60 years. They were very nice. This is the same company that I purchased the dash kit from, which is the wood grain limited dash kit. This is the receipts. The shipping label is on the side. Jim Bebisi, J&J Auto Wrecking, 8558 Black Diamond Road, United States, Maraville, Ohio. It was very nice. They were all very nice. I actually do have, it showed up today, this one right here. It's from J&J Auto Wrecking. Also, this one is the 2000 limited edition wood grain dash kit, which is all the wood grain pieces, including the switches, you know, the master door switch that has, you know, all the 4 windows, you know, the locks, basically the controller switch. Comes with all the switches and everything, as far as I saw in the photos. But they were very nice. This should be the matching ashtray. This should be the ashtray. It says 99 ashtray, drawer only. Should be the ashtray that went to that right there wood grain kit. And the 2000 and the 1999 had the exact same dash kit. That's why I grabbed it, was because it matched what was in the truck. Box open. Definitely has lots of packaging. It has cardboard style packaging as well as bubble wrap. Box is empty, very well packaged. All right. It's got some saran wrap on the outside, just right here. Alright. So there is a tag on this, which is nice. It does have the VIN number, damage code, location, ashtray drawer only, black face. Came from a 4Runner, 1999. Ashtray and lighter, condition 261,000 miles, and it has the VIN number, which is the last 5 is 55129. So I like when you get things from auto wreckage salvage companies, because they give you everything, including, you know, what vehicle the VIN number is. You can always look the VIN number up if you want to, see what all damage there was, which is always nice. Just took the tie out. Does not look like it was ever used as an ashtray, dusty. It's got scratch marks in it, kind of what looks like what was used, like I've used mine for, which is for chain. Spring is nice and springy. Very good condition. PFWD assembly. Part number 74102-35010 or 74111-35010. Two part numbers. Just an ashtray. This is the ashtray that goes to this wood grain kit. And I will be doing a video on this as well. But you know, if you guys watch this, there will be a hint to what this giant box is. Should be the wood grain kit that this ashtray went to. So I did not purchase like an anonymous ashtray. This ashtray actually came with that wood grain kit out of the same vehicle. And I'm sure the tag will be the same as well, with the same VIN number. And I'll show you guys real quick. And what I mean by that is I bought everything that came, everything that was dash panel related to that vehicle. So if I go to eBay, purchases, scroll down, this one right here is the one it's sitting right here, this ashtray. Click on it. It's the exact same ashtray. There you go. Same markings, exact same ashtray. When I scroll down, it's from J&J Auto Wrecking, which is what this paper says. J&J Auto Wrecking. Information right here, including the VIN number. So all of this information right here on this tag matches what's here. 55129. 55129, 99 4Runner. All that information matches. And then if I click back, this dash kit right here, open it up. All of this ashtray right here that I have in front of us goes to this kit. So if I slide over, this is the main reason why I bought it. It has the ECT button, the defroster button, the clock, the actual hazard switch. It has the security light, and the passenger airbag light. It's got the two lighters, or 12 volt sockets, and then the 12 volt socket here. The only thing I didn't buy is the lighter. I already have one of those. The lighters are lighters. It doesn't matter which one you put it in. You always have to put the lighter in this specific one here. But what I mean by it doesn't matter is that lighters will fit in any of them. These ashtrays are very picky. So I can put my SR5 2000 ashtray that looks actually about as good as this one. I can put it in this dash piece, and it may fit crooked. These spring-loaded assemblies and these slides, sometimes they don't fit in all of these dash pieces. Sometimes they have to go into the dash piece that they were made for. This ashtray goes to this exact piece. It should be in that big box, the brown box right there. And the reason I picked this up is it was $300 out the door, which is amazing, and the reason being is it comes with everything here. So it comes with the main dash piece, this piece that is the around the shifters, 4-wheel drive, and then the regular shifter. This butts up against this center piece. It's got the key lock cylinder piece. It has the passenger front piece with the door lock and the auto switch. It also has the 2 back passenger and driver side door window buttons, and it has the master switch with all of its buttons. So the 2 autos for the 2 front windows, the 2 rear windows, the lock and unlock. It's got the safety window switch as well as the mirror. It also has the speedometer bezel, the dimmer switch, and the RR diff lock switch. So it's quite a bit for $300. I have a buddy that lives in Canada that offered me just this one piece with shipping for $360. So to get all of this for $300, that is a killer deal, especially since my buddy he takes apart 4Runners and he sells this piece alone always for like $290. So it was $290 plus the shipping made it $300 and almost $60 total. So to get this piece and all these other pieces plus this guy for $352 total. This kit was $300. This was $52, so $352. I did pretty well in my opinion, because a lot of these pieces in this condition this is in, it's hard to find, especially the condition it's in. So, and the one that's in the 2000 Limited right now, this section right here where the hazard switch is broken. So when you push the hazard switch just falls into the dash. So, but just a quick unboxing and history of why I got this specific ashtray. I didn't grab it because I needed an ashtray. There's an ashtray in the 2000 Limited already, but that ashtray actually sits, it's supposed to sit like this in the truck, and it actually sits like this. So there's a lot of pieces on that dash piece that are broken. So I didn't think, $300 for the dash kit and then this for $52. $352, it's still cheaper than what my buddy in Canada offered me for just the center piece, and that was it. Which is what has the 2 blower vents and the hazard switch and the clock and the security light and everything. So I still saved like, $9 or so from buying it from my friend. I got this kit here within like 3 days, where it would have taken like 2 weeks to get it from Canada. And I got more than just the centerpiece. I got the ashtray and all wood grain items. And wood grain items for these trucks are very rare. They're very hard to find. So I'm kind of happy with the purchase. I don't use these ashtrays as ashtrays. I use them for change. I'm more of a guy that likes to keep the vehicle in pristine condition the best as possible. You guys seen my SR5. It's got, fancy intake. It's got, fancier brake lights, fancier headlights. But when it comes to the body and the dash and the trim and everything like that, I like to keep it original. So having this in the dash and it be straight, I'm more of a perfectionist when it comes to certain things on the vehicle. I want them to be original. Certain things don't have to be original. Excuse me, I'm still kind of sick. Like the brake lights, the reason I change out the brake lights and the headlights is because if anybody that has owned a 3rd Gen 4Runner knows that the reflective housings suck. I'm going to be taking the HID conversion kit that I put on my SR5. I'm going to be taking it off my SR5 and putting it on the Limited, because the SR5 is going to take a while to fix. So might as well put the lights on a vehicle that is running and can be used. The SR5 does run, the transmission does work, it's just the body damage. It's too much for me to put the wheel back on. I have to strip the bumpers and everything off, but the reason I put the headlights on was because I wanted to see better. And anybody that has a 3rd Gen 4Runner of any year 3rd Gen knows that the reflective headlight housings suck. When the sun, if you live in a hot state like California, Arizona, or Nevada, when the sun eats, it beams through the glass lenses. The glass lenses hit the reflective tape film that they put on the inside of the housings, and that film starts to peel, and then it chips, and then it no longer reflects light anymore, which is why I did the headlights on my SR5. Same with the brake light housings. The brake light housings are monographic housings, so they're painted on the outside or on the inside, as well as the plastic is dyed. And even the brightest LEDs I could find, the brake lights are pretty dim. And that's why I always immediately change the brake light housings on any vehicle I buy, because the originals, even on my Ford Excursion, my 2005 Excursion, it's the same. The brake lights housings were really dull. Really, even though they looked brand new, they were hard to see, the brake lights in daylight, with the brightest halogens and the brightest LEDs I could find. So I changed the housings out with a more modern housing. Provides better light output, easier to see in the dark, as well as see further away in the dark. 4Runners are notorious for the brake lights not being able to be seen for a football field. They're very dim. And that happens to be because the electrical system in those vehicles was not the greatest either. But that's why I changed certain things. When it comes to the body, I'd rather the body be original. I personally love the grinning smile style look that the front end has on these third gens, especially 2000s, and it kind of pushes me not to want to put an aftermarket bumper on them in the front or the rear. Even with all the damage on my SR5 in the rear, I've had damage on the bumper for 10 plus years, and I never changed it out because I like the look of how it looks on the body, and putting an aftermarket bumper on it makes it look larger. Yeah, it's beefier, heavier, but it's hard for me to change certain things about the vehicles, like the bodies, the fender flares, the hood. Certain things are just hard for me to change. This new Limited, I have no problem changing things because I'm going to be putting the sport hood on it. It doesn't have its original steps, so it came with rock sliders, came with a very large 6-inch lift kit already in it, big, larger tires. So there was already customization done to that truck on the outside. It still has original bumpers and fender flares and everything. It just doesn't have the sport hood. Half of the roof rack is missing, so I'm going to be putting a cargo rack on the roof eventually. So since I haven't had this Limited since it was born, like I had the SR5, I want to stay original. Body and everything, I want it to stay original. The Limited, it's already got customizations, so I'm going to start customizing that Limited. Because it's already got pieces missing from it. But that's all I got for you guys today. This video wasn't supposed to be 18 minutes, and I apologize. Kind of went on a rant. And you guys that watch me know that sometimes that happens. But anyways, I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope the information was informative and it was helpful. If you guys have any questions, leave comments below. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!